Hi folks, in this video I thought I'd quickly show you how I built this garden bed that looks like a coffin. Did I do it for Halloween? No, but it was an old Halloween prop that I converted into a garden bed. Did a time lapse, so hopefully you can follow along, and if you want I can always do another video, make another one, and this time explain it a little bit more end to end. That's it. See you on the other side. Enjoy. Right, first of all, we've got to start off with a base. What's the template that we're going to use? I had an old Halloween prop of just a one layer of a pallet timber. And next we need to, once you've got the outline done, you need to put in some supports. These are just the rails of the pallets cut up. I cut a diamond into the top so I could hammer them into the ground. Then we want to use cardboard, put that on to protect and kill off any weeds and grass that's there. And then I'm just simply drilling out and nailing on with the nails from the pallet timbers that came off when I disassembled the pallets. These pallets are very old. Any methyl bromide that was in it is long, long gone, even before customers usually get their hands on it. But this is old hardwood timber, so it's actually not too bad to work with. And as you can see, I'm just going around adding layers one at a time, drilling and then nailing into the supports. I had the occasional visitor come and have a look at what I was doing. And of course, the obligatory dog, 4-person keeping an eye on the thing. Thought I'd better give it a try, see if it fits. And it's just a matter of going around, cutting the timbers to suit, and then nailing them in. It's a little bit tedious, but once you get a flow going, it's not too bad. Here I'm basically stripping the timber down so it can fit. And you just go at your own pace, you don't have to rush. So this is next day. Just adding on the next layer. It's just rinse and repeat at this stage. Once you've got the basic template down, the size down, I already had disassembled these pallets from quite a while ago. I did have to disassemble a couple more panels when I got towards the end, but I'm only going, they're about 100 millimeters high each, so it's about 400 millimeters high, so not too high. As you can see, it's just coming up to my knee, so it's not too high. What I can do is add a piece of brace, a bracing rod, if needed, um, running through the through the center. But at the moment, I didn't feel it needed it. Make sure it's level, of course, and now we're going to fill it. And this is basically just following along the lines of the Hugel culture methodology, putting the old sticks down. I had a whole bunch from a tree that we had out the front that I've been collecting for a while, and I knew I wanted to put in a layer, probably about one pail high, which is about 100 millimeters of all these old sticks from a tree. They're just a softwood, so they won't take too long to break down. There's a bit of a shot for you of what it looks like. And basically then I've got a whole bunch of mulch, partially broken down mulch that I thought I'd put in. I probably should have compressed this in a little bit more, stood on it and really squeezed it down into the sticks. Unfortunately I didn't, and Yeah, now in goes some old soil that I had, plus looks like I'm raiding the compost bin here. Get a bit of compost in there as well. Still a little bit wet, but never mind, it all works. I thought at this stage I'd put some lime in there. I just had some leftover lime, so I put a bit of that in, and then put in some what I would call very rough garden soil picked up from the local hardware store. In my case, that's Bunnings. That's about it. Nice and simple.